How to log into Hulu account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you are easily able to log into your Hulu account. Hulu is a popular subscription-based streaming service that offers a wide range of TV shows, movies, original content, and live TV. It is known for its extensive library, which includes current and classic series, features, films, and Hulu originals. So the first thing you need to do is open up your any of your web browser and search for Hulu. Then you'll get this first link right here, Hulu Stream and Movies Live. Go ahead and open up this link. And now you will be welcomed on the login portal. So on the top right corner, you'll have the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you get to the login portal, you will just have to log in with your email address. So enter your email address. And once you have done that, hit enter. Now, if this is your first time using Hulu, then Hulu will ask you to create an account where you have to choose your password, name, birth date, and gender, and then click on agree and continue. Now, once you have filled out everything, click on agree and continue. And it will ask you for your email again for verification. And once you have created your account, Hulu will ask you for your password to log in. And if you are having any trouble logging in, you can click right here to recover your password. So you can just enter your email address that's connected. So once you have done that, Hulu will send you a reset link. So click right here. And from there, you can recover your password. And that's how you easily log into your Hulu account. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.